Back to school fashion. If you can sew, there's no need to look like everybody else. I'll show you what's in fashion for the fall and what patterns will get you there. Coming up. Hey there, trendsetters. Are you tired of wearing the same old back-to-school fashion as everybody else? Well, get ready to unleash your inner fashion designer, because today we're diving into the wonderful world of sewing your own back-to-school fashions. You'll be rocking those one-of-a-kind fashions where everybody will say, "Where'd you get that?" And you're gonna say, "I made it." I used to say that a lot when I was 13. I was making all my own clothes. We'd go shopping at the fashion stores and I'd be like, "I can make that." So then we'd end up at the fabric stores and I'd be buying fabric and patterns and get home, start sewing. It was pretty fun. I had all unique clothes. So be sure to get a jump on sewing because some of these things can take a little bit of time. So I'm here to show you the fall fashion trends of 2023 and some patterns that might help you get there. One of the biggest trends you're going to see this fall is red. So hot pink was the color for spring, and now we're seeing flashy red, even in leathers. What a great bold color. Also mixing other colors, black and whites with it, or any color. This is from the 1980s, popular from 17 magazine. And don't forget about the accessories. Red patent boots are just the ticket. Simplicity's 9755 would make a great outfit, all in red with contrast buttons. And then the bustier top, if you just want to do a little bit of red. And then in Vogue's 1683, asymmetrical cut would be so dramatic in bold red. Okay, fashion daredevils, get ready to be bedazzled because studs galore are here to conquer your wardrobe. It's like punk rock princesses donning studded leather jackets that scream, "I'm edgy, but I still love a good cupcake." So get your stud game on, and remember, in a world of studs galore, there's no room for dull moments or boring clothes. So get yourself a classic denim jacket pattern and stud it yourself. You can find studs all over Amazon. They're pretty easy to put on. Just make sure you get the tool kit, select the shape and gold or silver, and schedule out some time because they will take a bit of time to put on. Step aside, fairy tale princesses, because the goth romantic look is here to steal your hearts this fall. It's goth romantic, poetry with a dash of black eyeliner. This trend has us embracing our inner darkness like a vampire hugging a garlic clove. So my dark-hearted fashionistas, let your inner goth romantic run wild. And remember, love bites. Simplicity's 9639 is a great classic style for this romantic look. Pattern Simplicity 8946 will give you a little sweeter version of the goth romantic look. And vintage pattern Simplicity 9371 will give you even more demure goth look. This pattern's great for customizing. Lots of great simple lines. Hold on to your jean seams because this fall the denim maxi skirt waltzed back into our lives like an over-enthusiastic line dancer at a country fair. We're talking about denim so long you might mistake it for a walking denim carpet, and so voluminous it could easily hide a whole tribe of fashionably challenged gnomes under there. There are a lot of very full maxi skirt patterns that would make a great denim skirt. Get ready to enter the cozy wonderland of fall fashion, where fuzzy accessories have taken over like a cuddly invasion of adorable creatures. It's like someone turned up the dial on the cuteness factor, and now we're all walking around looking like stylish teddy bears on a mission. There are some beautiful fake furs in the fabric stores, and even patterns that specialize with fake fur. You can even find accessory patterns, just switch it over to the fur,
And, wow.
Well, well, autumn has brought with it a rather cheeky fashion trend, the return of sheer stockings.
It's like the ghosts of our fashion past have decided to haunt us. Who needs pants when you can prance around in what looks like invisible spider webs on your legs? Again, I love this pattern with sheer stockings, and this one just add a skirt.
Alert, alert, the fashion gods have spoken, and the 2000s are making a comeback. Woo! With low-rise pants and low-rise skirts.
Yes, you've heard that right. We're all embarking on a thrilling journey down memory lane, back to the era where belly buttons were the hottest accessories in town. Pants that barely hold on for dear life. From daring denim skirts that give the word risque a whole new meaning to a nostalgic roller coaster we can't seem to get enough.
Well, are you ready to shake off those summer vibes? Dive into the fall fashion trends of 2023? Get your sewing machine out. Let's start stitching. We've got a lot of things to make. It's fun to make your own clothes. So I hope these fall fashion trends have helped you get on the right track to sewing your new fall fashion wardrobe. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And get to stitching. See you in the next video.